When you first dive into Windows 11, it looks pretty impressive at first glance. But when the market hours hit, everything changes, and you need every ounce of processing power, and you need total focus. And with the default Windows 11 settings, you may discover that your high-performance trading computer may have come factory loaded with bloated visual effects. It may have also come with hidden background processes that are silently eating the system resources that your charting software desperately needs. And it came with a chattering crowd of notifications that are bleeding your attention at every single turn. Today, I'm walking you through the essential Windows 11 settings that every single trader needs to change right now. You want lightning-fast execution, you want zero distractions during trading hours, and you want a system that prioritizes your performance over Microsoft's data collection. And after years of watching traders lose money because their systems lagged at critical moments, I've learned exactly which switches to flick. Let's turn Windows from a bloated, distraction-filled platform back into a lean, mean, focused trading machine. All right, tweak number 1. Let's kill those startup applications. This is your number 1 performance killer during pre-market prep. Every unnecessary application that launches at startup steals system resources. Resources you need for your charting software, for your broker's platform, and for your trading algorithms. We're talking Microsoft Teams, OneDrive, Xbox services, weather apps, news apps, and 100 others that are competing for your CPU and your RAM before you even open your trading terminal. So here's how we do that. Go ahead and press Control, Shift, and Escape all at the same time to open that task manager. Click Startup Apps on the left sidebar. Be ruthless. Do you really need Spotify to launch? Does Candy Crush belong on a trading machine? Select any unnecessary programs and apps and go ahead and click Disable. Your system will boot faster, use less memory, and be ready for action when the market opens. Okay, tweak number 2. Disable visual effects for maximum performance. Windows 11 loads up animations, shadows, and things that are called transparency effects. They look pretty, but every animation drains your graphics processing unit, your GPU. And traders don't need just extra eye candy. They need speed. So here's how we turn them off. Go ahead and click Start, then click System, then click Advanced System Setting and Performance Setting. And then under Visual Effects, select Adjust for Best Performance. This disables animation, shadows, and transparent glass. Your system will feel snappier, and your GPU will stop wasting cycles on transitions. The best way to set this up is to just go ahead and click Custom, and then uncheck animations, uncheck smooth edges of fonts, shadows, and transparency. Every millisecond counts when you're managing live positions. Tweak number 3, disable notification spam. Don't you hate when you're trading and you get those little pop-ups in the lower right corner? Microsoft loves to help you with constant tips and suggestions. And during market hours, every notification is a distraction that you can't afford. So go ahead and click Start, then click Settings, System Notifications. Turn off anything that isn't critical. Better yet, toggle notifications off completely. Focus on price action, not Windows tips. Tweak number 4, stop background apps from draining your resources. Why should apps like Solitaire or the weather run when you're not using them? Again, we're going to click Start. We're going to go to Settings. Now click Apps and Installed Apps. Open each app and click Advanced Options, then Background Activity, and then set it to Off. Now, before we continue, I highly recommend you get a copy of my complete guide to trading computers. There's a link in the description. It covers the hardware, the software, the networking, and every optimization you need for a professional-grade trading setup. Tweak number 5, close your browser, specifically Chrome, completely. Did you know that Chrome keeps running after you close it, hoarding memory and bandwidth? So here's how we make sure that we can disable it completely when we shut it down. Open Chrome, go to the upper right corner and click those 3 dots and click on Settings. And then on the left sidebar, look for System. Once you get to System, go ahead and disable Continue Running Background Apps when Chrome is closed. Switch that off. Now when you close Chrome, it actually closes all the way. No hidden processes, no drain on your memory. Tweak number 6, stop Windows from spying on you and your searches. Did you know that every Start menu search gets logged and sent to Microsoft? Here's how we shut that off. Press the Windows key plus the R key. Type in regedit, and then navigate to HKey current user, then look for software, then open that up and look for policies, then Microsoft, and then Windows. Once you have Windows open, look for a file called Explorer. If that file doesn't exist, right-click, then click New, then click Key, and then name it Explorer. Go ahead and click on Explorer, and in the right box, right-click, then click New, DWORD 32-bit value, and then name it exactly as I have it here on the screen. Disable search box suggestions with no spaces between the words. Then click Enter, and then right-click on it and set value to 1. And when you reboot the computer, your searches will now stay local and they'll stay private. Okay, here's tweak number 7. Remove those widgets and those silly news alerts. This thing called widgets pushes MSN news and ads straight to your taskbar. So again, we want to click Start. We want to go to Settings. This time, click Personalization on the left. Then click Taskbar. Then look for Widgets and set that to off. Keep your desktop clean and focused on real-time charts, and you won't have those pop-ups coming up on your taskbar. So annoying. Tweak number 8, disable Microsoft telemetry. Did you know Microsoft collects diagnostic data constantly? So again, we want to go to Windows, click Settings, Privacy and Security. Then we want to look for Diagnostics and Feedback and turn Send Optional Diagnostic Data to off. And then go ahead and switch Send Optional Diagnostic Data. Go ahead and switch that to off. You're freeing bandwidth and CPU cycles for what matters, your market data. Tweak number 10, remove Cortana and Copilot. Both are background listeners that consume memory. So again, we're going to go to Windows Settings. This time go to Apps, go to Installed Apps. Now scroll down and look for Cortana, or more likely you're going to find Copilot, and then go ahead and click Uninstall. You need focus, not built-in surveillance. All right, tweak number 11, disable activity tracking. Windows tracks what apps and files you use and then syncs that data. Here's how we get rid of that. Go ahead and click Windows Settings, Privacy and Security. Then we're looking for Diagnostics and Feedback again, and go ahead and click Delete Diagnostic Data. Then under Search Permissions, turn off Cloud Content Search, Inking and Typing Personalization, and Speech Recognition features. Your trading activity then stays private. All right, tweak number 12, control when your system reboots after an update. Few things are worse than Windows rebooting mid-session, or you left your machine on only to find out that it's rebooted itself and you haven't saved everything. So here is where we can turn off that automatic rebooting. Again, Start, Settings. Now we're looking for Windows Update and then Advanced Options. And then we're going to look for Notify Me when a restart is required and click Enable. This way, it'll send you a notification when it's time to restart instead of automatically rebooting for you. You stay in control then, not Microsoft. These 12 changes transform Windows 11 from a data collection platform into a lean, mean, focused trading machine. Less corporate surveillance, fewer distractions, and most importantly, faster performance. Every disabled startup program equals more CPU power. Every blocked telemetry stream equals more bandwidth, and every silence notification means more focus for you as a trader. Microsoft kind of hides these settings because their defaults serve their business model, not yours. Take 30 minutes to apply these tweaks. Your system will be faster, cleaner, and dialed in for peak trading performance. But stay vigilant. Big updates can reset these preferences, so go ahead and recheck them every quarter if you can. Remember, your trading edge in the markets is built on speed, focus, and information, not distraction. Make sure your operating system isn't sabotaging these. My name is Eddie Z, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and slam that subscribe button right now. I'm making new videos all the time to help you be a smarter, faster, and better trader. Thanks for watching. And if you want to know the absolute best laptop for trading, watch this video next.